Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I've been tidying, but then I got, kind of wrapped up in some 128 things, and I am not sure if I'm finished with these 128 things. I'm going to go a hunting. But at the moment, I think I have 5 128s that work, and then I have one that half works, and it'll come up in 80 column mode, but not 40 column mode. And then I think there's two others. One of them just doesn't want to do anything. I forget now. What was it? Oh, that's the keyboard. Sorry. What do we got here? Okay, yeah, this is the one. Right now it's stripped bare, and it just does not want to come up. It does not. And this one here is also stripped bare. And what does it do? Oh yeah, this is the one. It comes up in the 80 column mode, not the 40 column mode. It's very, very strange. And here's another one. Oh, this one is not stripped bare. What is up with it? Broken keys. What is this? Or is it, oh, I got these mixed up. Not working. All chips and sockets dropped into. Oh, that's right. This is the one where the 8502 chip gets very warm. So that could be all it is. It could be. So ultimately, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 128. I believe that's where I'm at the moment. But I'm going to go looking to see if I can find some more. Because while I'm tinkering on them, it's a good time to tinker on them. That does not include 128Ds. It does not. So, and who knows? I'm thinking more and more, and I think I may have actually sold some of selling chips. A lot of it is, well, right now we're in a postal strike, but also there are other ways, other companies, other things. But I don't know about tariffs. I got to find out about tariffs. I got to see what's going on. But certainly, mailing a chip is pretty small, and things can be wrapped up really carefully and just dandy, and away they go. So I'll see. Mind you, you know what? There's no point in shipping something if you can't wrap it up safely. So my plan for shipping a chip would be to have it nicely secured in something nice and soft, so it's nice and squishy and dandy, and then maybe have some bubble wrap, and then have some cardboard, and then slide it into the envelope. That's the plan. All right, so yeah, I still got more tidying to do, but it feels good to get something done. It feels good to be accomplished and see what's what. So I have to start a box for Rudy, and I have to start doing things I do. And right now I'm feeling pretty tired and pretty sick. Ugh. But I guess what I'm going to do. Is head down to the pool room and the box room and maybe the pet room and just see if I find any other 128s around that I can kind of wrap this all up in one nice little bow and see what I've got. Anyway, if you have any questions about the 128, I'm more familiar than I was. But the one thing I would ask of anybody out there, if you have a 128 that, as if you've seen in one of the previous videos, it comes up in the 80 column mode, but the 40 column mode on both 64 and 128 modes is weird. Tell me, what do you think it is? what chip do you think it is? It would be most appreciated, because I would like to get more of them working. And, even if I'm selling chips, at some point I'll probably end up selling good working circuit boards that may need to be populated, but for someone who does not have one that's working, or that, has one kind of like what I have, where they're like, well, this is strange, this is mysterious, all the chips are good, but it's not working. Could be good. The other thing, of course, that could be good is some people like to frame things, put them on the wall. And if they're on the wall, in the man cave, or here and there and everywhere, doesn't really matter if they work. And the 128 board is a very handsome board. It is, oh dear God, look at that. And it even says proudly in the middle of it, Commodore 128. There it is. See, 128. There it is. Ah, how lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. Oh. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to go look for more machines and take medicine and lie down. Yep. Thanks for coming. If you've been watching this whole 128 series, I hope you learned something. I certainly did. I haven't done much with the 128 in a while, and I really, as most people, they use the 128 in 64 mode. That's just the way it was. Oh, look at that. That's kind of there. Anyway, we'll see you again soon back in the TV room. And here and there and everywhere. My battery is low. I got to copy things and turn things off and take a nap. Bye for now.